Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. In this video, I'm going to show you we can select any file in four ways. So one way is that you can click on any file or images or anything and that file will be selected. Now you can copy or you can move to any folder. If you want to suppose copy, so just press Ctrl C, and then if you want to paste it here, you just press Ctrl V. So this particular image has been copied. So one by one, if you want to copy, if you suppose you want to copy this image, you just click on it and press Ctrl C and paste it here. If you want to paste it here, you just press Ctrl V. So one way is that you can individually copy and paste the files. Another way is that suppose you want to copy or move entire this all files. So in order to select all, you can press Ctrl A key. If you press Ctrl A key, the current directory files or images, anything, it will be selected. So now you can copy or move. So in order to move, you just press Ctrl X, and if you want to paste it here, you just press Ctrl V key. So as you can see, the entire images has been moved from one folder to another folder. Third method is that suppose you want to move the images from this particular to this particular. So if you want to copy it, then you can simply press the initial image as I have done here, and then go to the final image and first press shift key on the keyboard and then click on it. So the entire file will be selected. So now you can copy or move it to any folder. Now the fourth selection type is suppose you want to select the files randomly. If you want to select, suppose first one, just click on it. If you want this particular image to be selected, so first press Ctrl key on the keyboard and then click on it. If you want suppose this image, so first you have to press Ctrl key and then click on it. If you want suppose this one, so same way you do, you just press Ctrl key and then click on it. So random selection in this way you can do. So here completes all four types of selection of the files. So thank you for watching.